If you're experiencing slow installation loops on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to help speed up the process. This guide will walk you through some effective methods to enhance your installation experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. A poor connection can significantly slow down downloads and installations. Consider using a wired connection if possible, or move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Clear cache. Navigate to the settings menu and clear the download cache. This can help remove any corrupted files that may be causing slowdowns during installations. Restart your Steam Deck after clearing the cache for optimal results. Step 3. Optimize storage. Check your storage space and remove any unnecessary files or games. Having sufficient free space can improve installation speeds. Aim to keep at least 10 minutes 15% of your storage free for better performance. Step 4. Update SteamOS. Make sure your SteamOS is up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that can enhance installation speeds. Go to the system settings and check for any available updates. Step 5. Limit background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This can free up system resources, allowing the installation process to run more smoothly and quickly. Use the Task Manager to monitor and manage these processes. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the installation speed on your Steam Deck. Regular maintenance and updates can help keep your device running efficiently.